Hey guys, today we're comparing Apollo.io versus Lusha in 2025, the ultimate face-off for sales, prospecting, efficiency, and lead quality. Apollo.io gives you a huge B2B database plus built-in outreach tools, email sequences, dialer, and task automation. It's perfect if you want to find leads and engage them from the same platform. You can target at industries, titles, and companies all in one place. Lusha, meanwhile, is laser focused on accuracy. Its contacts are highly verified, ideal for teams that want clean, reliable data without worrying about bounces. But it doesn't offer outreach or automation. It's purely enrichment. When it comes to ROI, Apollo.io scales better for campaigns, while Lusha shines if your goal is precision over volume. So bottom line, Apollo.io equals all-in-one prospecting plus outreach. Lusha equals verified contact quality. If this helped you decide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2025 sales tool breakdowns.